Wow, looks like we had a small tornado last night. Let's see what happened. This is the first time I've been out here since last night. Our electric is still off. Oh goodness. Well, that turned over. The chairs are in the fire pit. You know, to me this is so weird that this can happen, but that plant still standing up. Oh no, what happened over here? Oh, looks like a big tree fell. Great. Look at all of that. This tree, I don't know what's going on with that tree, but all the bark came off of it. Not during the storm, but before. But me and Randy heard something crash last night. We thought it was a limb, and yep, it was a limb. There it is. Let's go around here and see what else has happened. Just see a bunch of branches and stuff off down there. Looks like the cars and stuff are okay. No branch fell off. Well, up on the deck you can see the umbrella. That umbrella looks okay, but that one on the deck came out of its hole. What a mess. Just branches everywhere. Out here seems to be okay. Just some little bitty branches like that. I can just mow over that. Looks like there's a tree right there that's fallen over. Yeah, this is most of the damage right here. I just got through mowing yesterday. I hate this. I hate cleaning this yard. It's not just a little yard, it's like 10 acres of yard. You just got those little bitty things all over the place. Yeah. There was a lot of wind for sure. Now the bad thing is like when it all dries and stuff, what's gonna fall after that. There's so many trees. If you look across the pond, you can see like a tree goes up and then it goes over. That's from wind too. But it got stuck on a tree, so it never did fall. Crazy. Yep. So looks like me and John Randall's gonna have some cleaning up to do. I need to hire 2 little teenage boys to come and pick all this stuff up. You can see all the branches down here. My goodness, look at that one. No, that didn't happen. That's some limbs from another windstorm that we just piled up. It wasn't as bad as this. You can see all that. Yep. Okay, well, it's a Texas windstorm. But I just wanted to take y'all for a walk and see what all happened. But the main thing is just little branches here and there, and that big limb that fell and went into a million pieces, and the fire pit. And that's just putting the chairs back. So not that much. After the fire damage, it's just like, whoa, what else could happen? So, but our electricity went off, I'm going to say around 11, and it's about 10 in the morning, and it still hasn't come back on. So I don't know what happened with the electricity. If something fell onto the lines and they have to put all those lines back or what, but yeah, so they'll probably have a mess in the refrigerator also. So anyway, if you had storms, I hope you had less than us of the damage. But anyway, y'all take care, and please like and subscribe. And looks like today we'll be building some shutters, and we'll tell you how we do it from A to Z. All right, y'all take care. Thanks, y'all. Bye.